Bluetooth audio delay is a common frustration for Android and Samsung phone users. This delay creates a noticeable gap between what you see on screen and what you hear through your wireless headphones. The audio signal travels from your phone to your headphones, but processing delays cause the sound to arrive noticeably later than the video, creating an annoying sync issue. Several factors contribute to Bluetooth audio delay. Understanding these causes helps explain why this problem persists across Android devices. The primary causes include Bluetooth codec processing delays, distance and wireless interference between devices, and unfortunately, software bugs introduced by Android or Samsung system updates. Different Bluetooth codecs have varying levels of audio quality and latency. Here we can see how the newer LC3 codec compares to the standard SBC codec used on most Android devices. Recent Android and Samsung security updates, particularly the March 2025 update, have actually made Bluetooth audio issues worse for many users, sometimes causing complete audio loss or false call detection. Bluetooth audio delay becomes particularly problematic during gaming and video watching, where precise audio-visual synchronization is crucial for the user experience. The future looks promising with Bluetooth LE audio and the LC3 codec, which aim to significantly reduce latency while improving audio quality and battery efficiency. However, widespread adoption requires compatible devices on both ends. When experiencing Bluetooth audio delay, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. These simple checks resolve many common connectivity issues. Next, explore software settings. Access developer options to change your Bluetooth audio codec. Different codecs like SBC, AAC, or aptX can significantly reduce audio delay. Clearing the Bluetooth cache can resolve connectivity issues. Go to Apps, Show System Apps, find Bluetooth, then clear its cache and data. Samsung users have access to the Sound Assistant app from the Galaxy Store. This app includes a Bluetooth metronome feature that lets you manually adjust audio timing to reduce delay. If problems persist, try updating your Bluetooth device firmware. You can also disable battery saver mode and absolute volume in developer options. As a last resort, wired headphones eliminate Bluetooth delay entirely. Remember to try these solutions in order. Start with basic checks, then explore software settings, clear Bluetooth cache, and use Samsung's Sound Assistant if available. Most Bluetooth audio delay issues can be resolved with these troubleshooting steps.